Hey guys, this is your friend Riyank and welcome to a new series on Market Masters. Now, before we begin with our first episode on Market Masters, it is important to understand what Market Masters really is. So, here in our series of Market Masters, we'll be discussing two stocks every week, one out of which has given a strong technical breakout on charts, and the other one has given a retracement to its breakout zone, both offering a good opportunity for investment on charts. We will also be discussing the risk to reward ratio on both of these stocks for short term and long term, along with the percentage risk involved on both of these stocks. Please note that both of the stocks shared here today are only for educational purposes. The motive of creating these videos is just to spread financial awareness and not sell any investment advice. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any decision. Now, before we move on talking about these two stocks for next week, we must decode the technical terms like breakout, retracement, stop loss, and target. So now, when a stock moves above or below any particular resistance or support level, it is said to be a breakout. When a stock has given a breakout and it is pulling back to the previous resistance or support level, it is said to be a retracement. A particular price level below which, if a stock break, it will become weak and you should immediately exit the stock to prevent from any further loss happening is called a stop loss price level. A particular price level till which the stock can accelerate towards where you should book your profits is called a target price. Now we'll be talking about the first stock, which is from the B category, which is the breakout category for the next week. The name of our first stock is Network 18 and Media Investment Limited. So now we'll be quickly going and seeing the charts of Network 18 Media and Investment Limited. So here right in front of the screen with me, I have the charts of Network 18 Media and Investment Limited. We are talking about the monthly charts here. And given the fact that stock has given a strong breakout this month, is currently trading at 77.45 rupees. The short-term target on the upside are looking to be somewhere around 191 and long-term targets of 631.20. With the short-term risk being somewhere close to 40% downside and long-term risk being somewhere close to 60% downside, the reward on the upside is 146% for short term and over 714% for long term. If I shift to the weekly time frame here, I might be able to see the stop loss in a much better detailed version. The short term stop loss is coming somewhere around 46 and the long term stop loss is coming somewhere around 31. If I talk about the risk to reward ratio here, the risk to reward ratio is 3.6 for short term and 12.1 for long term, which is almost 714% upside from current levels for long term view horizon. So, this was a technical analysis on Network 18 Media and Investment Limited. Now, we'll be talking about the second stock for next week, which is from the R category, which is a retracement category. The name of the second stock is IG Petrochemicals India Limited, short version as IGPL. So now we'll be going and seeing the charts of IGPL. So right here with me, I have the charts of IG Petrochemicals India Limited. The risk on the downside for short term is coming somewhere around 22% and 34% for long term respectively. The reward is being somewhere close to 100% for short term and 200% for long term. If I shift to the weekly time frame here, I'll be able to see much more detailed version about the long term stop loss, which is coming around the level of 512. And if I shift to the daily time frame, I'll be able to see the short term stop loss, which is 609. Now, if you look at this chart very, very carefully, you'll be able to see the breakout had happened on 5th of October 2021. And now the stock has retraced from the top towards the breakout level. So this pullback which we are seeing is called as a retracement. The short term stop loss is coming 609, the long term stop loss is coming 512, and the targets on the upside are double and triple for short term and long term respectively, bringing the risk to reward ratio as 4.46 for short term and 5.75 for long term. So this was the technical chart of IG Petrochemicals India Limited. We have the levels right in front of the screen with us. If we allocate 10% on Network 18 and 10% on IG Petrochemical Limited, The percentage risk of our total corpus will be 4% and 2.23% respectively, with the reward being somewhere close to 14.7% and 10% for the two stocks respectively. Talking about long term, the risk would be somewhere close to 5.95% and the reward will be 71.49% considering if you are allocating 10% of your total corpus on network 18 and 3.47% risk along with 20% reward with an allocation of 10% on IG Petrochemicals India Limited. Now, in my last few videos, I had talked about these four particular stocks. On 4th of July 2021, we had talked about Sona Comstar and Nazara Technologies. The stock have more than doubled from there in just a matter. The stocks have more than doubled from there in just a matter of about 3 months. And Akshar Chemicals India Limited and Barbecue Nation are also up 50% and 45% respectively. So these four stocks, which were discussed in my last few videos, have massively outperformed and have given a great move. So if you enjoyed watching my today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any upcoming notifications. I hope all of you have a profitable week ahead. Take care of yourself and stay safe.